Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. Welcome back to the family. This is Nene from Life of the Way family. How are y'all doing today? Okay, today is Friday and I'm going to be just having a little chit chat with y'all and stuff. First off, I want to say welcome back to the channel. And if you is a new subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell so you'll be reminded when I upload a video. And also set it to all, and make sure you get this video a like, but hit the like button on this video. um and I want to say also welcome back to my channel, my old subscribers, and welcome to the channel as for my new subscribers. I want to let y'all know that I miss y'all, and I've been doing good, y'all. I really have. It just that after I just ain't been in the mood to get back on, to be back on YouTube, but I still try to make sure I reach out and let y'all know that I'm doing okay. Make sure y'all doing okay. Asking y'all how y'all doing, but I'm gonna get better though. 2021 gonna be my year. It's gonna be me and my family. It's gonna be some year for some changes, you know, and I'm gonna be more consistent. I got to get back into it. I didn't want to let y'all down because I did say I post a video Friday. So I'm doing this at nighttime. So I'm gonna try to do this video, upload this video, and get it on out the way. So I can put this video back up because I did tell y'all that I post a video Friday. So just bear with me as I get back into the groove of things, and try to be more consistent with myself with doing YouTube. I haven't let y'all down. I honestly haven't. I haven't let y'all down. I haven't forgot about y'all, and I hope y'all haven't forgot about me. I just been busy, with life, everyday life, my motherly life. I just been busy. And I just got sidetracked for a minute. It seemed like after I had my surgery and stuff, I wasn't cooking and stuff after that. Besides when I did the Thanksgiving and the Christmas thing when I cooked for Christmas. But other than that, I really haven't been cooking like that. I've been cooking the same old thing, the usual thing and stuff that y'all probably already done seen me make a video of. Or some things I cook, I just didn't think they'll just do a video of it, because that wasn't my first thing to think about doing a video. But I want to say I strongly apologize, for my lack of consistency and being involved with you all, So I want to say I apologize for that part, and I'm truly apologetic for it. And I hope y'all can understand and forgive me for it, and don't beat me up about it, But I did want to make sure I extend myself and tell y'all that I'm okay, and I hope that y'all is okay. I hope that y'all is enjoying y'all 2021 year, and I hope it been off to a great start. And also, I just want to, let y'all see me and stuff. So tonight I'm eating spaghetti. So I wanted to let y'all know, you know, have dinner with y'all, have a little mini mukbang with y'all. So this is my spaghetti. I got ranch, cheese, the regular cheese, and that's it. So how have y'all been? I've been doing okay. I've been doing okay. I got some updates to tell y'all. Y'all are gonna be seeing me looking different now, but it gonna be okay, okay? I got to start back wearing my glasses. And I've been wearing glasses back in, I wanna say around 2010, 2011, something like that. I've been wearing glasses. But probably to when I moved from Georgia to here, that's when I stopped wearing my glasses because it had done broke. And my vision been okay, but this particular time, my vision it kind of tricking me. It's stuff. It like I'm having trouble with, should I say? So my vision is a little blurry than what it was. So I had to go to the doctor the other day to see about it, and they told me I got a mild astigmatism, and they prescribed me some glasses. It's medicated, and I'm supposed to be wearing my glasses, so I don't have them on now because I got to get used to it because the medicine is strong for my eye. It ain't that strong, but it's strong for me to have them on right about now and stuff. So I try to wear them like when I get out on the road and everything like that. But other than that, Yeah, that's about it. So I'll be starting wearing glasses, and y'all will start seeing me with glasses on. So if y'all knowing that I got glasses on, it's because my doctor prescribed me them glasses, and he knew that I was supposed to be wearing them. So that'll be the only thing. But yeah, that's about it. So what else? Um, what else? Oh, I got some new things in storage, y'all. I got some videos coming up that I got to make, and I was supposed to be making that today, but I didn't even go to the grocery store to get the food that I was supposed to have to make a video with y'all. And I'm like, it's okay. I ain't gonna beat myself up about it because I said, well, I could just make a video of me eating some spaghetti and just chit chat with y'all and stuff like that, and I'll be satisfied doing that. So, but I do got some new stuff coming in stores, y'all. I really do. I got some new stuff. I've been trying to think of new stuff to do with my channel. So really, this downtime that I've been having, I've been thinking of creative ways to do stuff. So I'm still open. I still got myself open to new things to try. And I still got I still got myself open to new things to try and everything. So I got some videos that I got in mind to do with y'all, to do for y'all. And some new things to try. So that's what be going on. I'm excited about doing these two things that I got now. I just got to get to the store and make it. And I'm going to try to see. I'm sorry. I'm going to try to see if Belle get in with me to do it. To make it more fun instead of doing it by myself. But it all depends, y'all. It all depends. He may do it, though. He may do it and stuff. But that's about it, though. But other than that, that's about it with the information about the channel. Let me check on y'all for a second. How have y'all been? Have y'all New Year been going good? If it haven't, I want to let y'all know, just be thankful that y'all still got breath in y'all body. And also be thankful because, God allowed us to see the year 2021. Some people didn't even make it to see that year. And if they did, they probably made it to see this day that we in now, the 15th. So that's more than enough to be thankful for. Because it's somebody out there that going through stuff probably worse than what you going through or anything. It always somebody out there that catching it harder than you. So it's little things that you have to be thankful for. Even though if your day ain't going good and you just had a rough week or you had a rough day, just be thankful. Just say, Lord, I thank you because it could be much worse. Mm-hmm. I see. But, okay, I'm sorry, y'all. But, also, I want to check on Miss Didi. Miss Didi, if you see this video, I want to see how you doing. And I'm sorry. But Miss Didi, if you see this video, I also want to see how you doing. And also see how your dad doing. I haven't forgot about you and what everything. But I also wanted to make check on you and stuff. I just haven't reached out like I was and stuff. But I want to make sure I see how you doing, see how your dad doing and stuff. But I want to make sure all of y'all is doing okay, but I know I was having talks with Miss Dee Dee and stuff, and I told her that I was gonna continue to check up on her, and that's what I wanted to make sure I did. I want to let you know that I haven't forgot about you as well. So, but also, y'all, this will be the end of the video. I want to let y'all know that I've been doing okay and that I love y'all and that I missed y'all so much. And that this is just the beginning of your girl, Nene, and coming back in with these videos. This is just the beginning, y'all. So, y'all gonna see more of me. Don't give up on me now. I also want to let y'all know that I will see y'all in the next video. I love y'all. Peace.